What's up? My name is Kayla and my sign name is Kayla, and today we're going to be talking about how you can learn ASL if you're hearing or hard of hearing or deaf and don't know you don't know sign language and want to learn. Okay, so first you can always learn from deaf people if you want to learn sign language or an interpreter. To learn the culture and community, always best from a deaf person. You can always inquire at your local school for the deaf. I'm lucky to live near one, so when I was actually younger, I took classes at my local school for the deaf for people who aren't fully deaf. I had hearing aids, but you can always go on online resources and learn from deaf creators or just take local classes. So yeah, I hope this helped.